Good day everyone, how y'all doing? IceHat FPV here, and yeah, check this out guys. I have FPV'd my armor granite. And it's not the best truck in the world, but it's okay, it gets around. So it might be way too shaky to even see any footage. We're going to try it out. I've got an old eachine camera here from a Wizard. Eachine VTX, I think it's the 801, I believe, 600 milliwatt. I put this axial antenna on the back here in case it crashes. It should fold down, hopefully. It'll probably break off in my luck. And 3S lipo, powered. I just put everything on this power distribution board back here. So yeah, I'm gonna secure those wires, and I got some memory foam tucked in here to try to keep this from flopping up and down too much. So after this dries up a bit here, see if we can't go for a rip, try it out. Put the Fat Shark goggles on and see how it goes. I tried this a long time ago, and I didn't really like how shaky it was, so I got a feeling this is going to be the same, but we'll try it out. Alright guys, see you when it gets dry.
Over bridge of sights, to rest my eyes in shades of green, under dreaming spires, to Ichiku Park, that's where I've been. What did you do there? I got high. What did you feel there? Well, I cried. But why the tears there? Tell you why. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. I feel inclined to blow my mind. Get on, feed the ducks with a bun. They all come out to groove about, be nice and have fun in the sun. I tell you what I'll do. What will you I'd like to go there now with you. You can miss out school. Won't that be? Why go to learn the words of who? What will we do there? We'll get high. What will we touch there? We'll touch the sky. But why the tears there? I'll tell you why. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. I feel inclined to blow my mind. Get hung up, feed the ducks with a bun. They all come out to groove about, be nice and have fun in the sun. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. It's all too beautiful. Ha! It's all too beautiful.